Salute, folks. It's your boy, the insurance junkie, your fiduciary fella, the all-star advisor, Alonzo Hall, your social media insurance broker, and I've returned today to whap and tap on your head with another ADH wealth solution. So today, I want to talk about an age-old FAQ that we always get, which is better, term or whole life? And the true answer is it depends. And the reason it depends is what you're looking for. But before I go in, ladies and gentlemen, make sure you hit that like, drop a comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you're made aware every time I release new content. And as always, share. Lastly, to contribute to channel growth or to schedule an appointment with a licensed financial professional, the links are in the description of this video. So, as you see, guys, I'm here getting ready for my flight. And I was having an interesting discussion. So the discussion was, what's better, term or whole life? And the answer is, again, it depends. And the reason it depends on is because it depends on what you're looking for from your life insurance. If you're looking just to leave a death benefit, then term insurance is the policy you want, because you want to, for a cheap amount of dollars out of your pocket, leave a large amount of dollars to your family. Now, what do I mean by this? I don't mean be cheap and spend $50 a month on a $250,000 death benefit. That doesn't do anything. That leaves 5 years of your annual income. The major issue that insurance agents do is they sell it to you wrong. Yeah, $250,000 seems like a lot because you haven't held $250,000 cash in your hand at one time, until you realize $250,000 is only 5 years of your $50,000 annual salary. It really doesn't do much of anything when you have a wife, kid, mortgage, student loans, and all this other shit that you're supposed to be taking care of. And that's what life insurance is for. So that's why you would get a $5 million term policy. You kick the bucket. Now you know your kids ain't got to worry about college. Your wife ain't got to worry about paying for the student loans. You don't have to worry about inflation. And her retirement is taken care of. Now, if you want to build that wealth, is when you get a permanent policy. So you either get a traditional whole life or a properly funded IUL. Now, the major issue there, a lot of agents don't know what the fuck they're doing, and they don't set up the IUL for you right. They set it up so they get paid more. I set it up so you get paid more, and the reason I set it up so you get paid more is because you're going to tell more people about me, which ends up getting me paid more, right? So in the long run, it's a selfish thing. But how many salesmen will you meet that'll tell you the honest to goodness truth? Not many, right? So that's one thing you want to look for. So again, when you're looking at pure death benefit, term insurance is that. But if you're going to get pure death benefit, you properly purchase it. Especially in the black community, we purchase life insurance all the way wrong. Oh, I don't want to leave anything. I just want to make sure there's no funeral. And then we say some dumb shit like generational wealth. Then we go to Google. Google says a generation is 20 years. Then we go to Google. Google says the median household income of an American is $50,000. So just to leave one generation of generational wealth, like we talk about, which $50,000 a year or $1 million, which would be $50,000 a year for 20 years, is generational just fucking making it. Because $50,000 a year in America is not wealth. So, if we're going to use these buzzwords, stop getting scammed by people like Wall Street Trapper when a licensed professional like me says something and you idiots want to be like, oh, he's helped more black people than you. No, he's hurt more black people than me. But that's why I don't deal with many black people, because we don't have the money in our community, unfortunately. You know, we've got me and a couple other people who are trying to make that difference, but a lot of you are too busy listening to Jay Morrison and all these other people scamming us. And when the legit people like myself or JT the Pocket Watcher come out, you ostracize us. But we've actually put in our 10,000 hours to learn this stuff. So at any rate, just to recap, if you want pure death benefit, get a term life insurance policy. But make sure you get a big death benefit, like millions of dollars, because it's cheap. Spend 5, 6, even if you spend $1,000 a month for 20 years, right? It would be pale in comparison to the death benefit you would get from the, let's see, 12,000 times 20, right? So 120 something. It'd pale in comparison to millions of dollars your family would get from the term life insurance policy. See, unlike your 401k, life insurance is about the multiplication of money. So, if you want to beat your 401k, you get a permanent life insurance policy, and the moment you put $1 in there, it multiplies your money. Unlike the 401k you have from your job, where the moment you put $1 in there, if you die, your family only gets the money that you put into the 401k. It doesn't multiply the money. But those are things that financial professionals like me don't want you to know. I'd rather get a shit ton of money, continue driving my Mercedes, go get my new BMW. I'll probably just get another Mercedes, to be honest. I don't like the Bavarian money waster. But I'll go get my next Benz, and you'll be poor for the rest of your life. Because a financial advisor only needs 3 of you to retire for their life, but you need 30 years. So again, recap. Best policy to have if you want to just leave death benefit as term. Best policy to have if you want to build cash value as a properly structured IUL. That's going to be it for today, folks. Make sure you wipe ass. Work in progress every day and see success. Wipe ass. Work in progress every day and see success. Wipe ass. Work in progress every day and see success. And remember, folks, when people challenge you, they don't challenge you to challenge you, but they challenge you to challenge you. Accept the challenge. Salute.